Hello everyone, this is Lily from Omni. We just back from Europe to meet some silence, and we recommend is our hot-selling product, floating lift smart desks. And customers has a lot of questions, so today we invite Owen Liu, our engineering director, to share us some information and why Omni have this kind of product.
Hello everyone, I'm Owen, Engineer Director at Omni. I'm delighted to share with you the design highlights and the design philosophy behind the floating left smart desk. The floating left smart desk goes far beyond simply enabling standing while working. It addresses the underlying pain points of modern open-plan offices, such as distractions, clutter, functional fragmentation, and lack of privacy, by offering an integrated, intelligent, collaborative, hybrid, and human-centered automated solution. It ensures that office environment truly serves people's focus, efficiency, and well-being. Its functionality far surpasses that of a mere high-adjustable desk. It has evolved into an intelligent office ecosystem terminal that integrates the roles of a healthy manager, a garden of focus, an energy hub, and a space innovator. The 8-wire power system will simplify integration and future modification in office spaces. Designed for instant compatibility with panels and desks, it keeps key hardware unchanged to ensure fast, optimal installation. Choose from 3+1 or 2+2 circuit configurations to achieve lower total cost and future-proof flexibility. Its modular setup comprising a distribution harness, jumper, and receptacles serves as a versatile power hub for all your components. With a variety of options for each part, the system can be precisely tailored to empower your specific workspace layout and devices. The floating left desktop has a lifting range from 29 to 49. The panel standard widths are 48, 60, and 72 inches, with a height of 53 inches and a thickness of 3 inches. The load capacity per column is 100 kilograms. Customization is supported. Our unique design features an optional foldable desktop. Backed by a 5-year warranty, this product is built to last, with testing confirming a reliable service life of over a decade. Its unique modular design enables the individual packaging of components and hassle-free installation. A single person can complete the setup quickly with just one tool.
Okay, today our Owen Liu already shared a lot of information for our floating lift smart desks.
If you have additional requirements, we are pleased to offer customized solutions.